This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Pigment app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it up and you'll see the main interface. This is where you can browse through a vast collection of coloring pages and books. Take a moment to explore the categories and find something that sparks your creativity. Then, simply tap on an image or book to open it and start your coloring journey. Now, let's dive into the basic coloring tools. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find options for brushes and fill tools. Experiment with different brush types to see their unique effects. To pick a color, simply tap on the color palette icon and choose from hundreds of shades. You can also adjust the brush size using the slider, making it easy to color both large areas and intricate details with precision. Ready to take your coloring to the next level? Pigment offers some fantastic advanced features. Don't worry about mistakes. The undo and redo buttons are your best friends. You can also add depth and interest to your creations by applying various textures and gradients. For a truly personal touch, try creating your own custom color palettes. This allows you to save your favorite combinations and use them across multiple designs. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it. You can easily save your finished artwork directly to your device's photo gallery. If you're proud of your creation, share it with friends and family on social media platforms right from the app. Pigment also allows you to export your art in high-resolution image formats, ensuring your beautiful work looks great wherever you display it. Enjoy sharing your creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.